Hello, I'm Susie Huddleston, the Training Ambassador with Mayflower. Today we're going to learn how to do a marquee. Marquees are pretty hot on the market right now. If you go onto Pinterest or TikTok or Facebook, any of them have quite a bit of the marquees. Now they can come in all shapes and sizes, but the main foundation is the same. Today we're going to make a 5-inch marquee, and I've got some quads already made up, and these have 5 pumps each, and I have 4 sets of quads. Then I have another set of quads which have 3 pumps each. So I'm just going to stack the 3 on top of the 5 pumps. And I'm going to take a Q60 and I'm just going to wrap it together so it doesn't go anywhere. And give it a tie. And then I'm going to do that again. I'm going to take the smaller 3 pump, nestle it inside of the 5 pump, take the 5 pump quad, stack it on top, and just repeat that process. Down, up, and down, and up, and then I'm just going to tie it off. And then I'm going to create my 3rd layer. So you can see that the golds are stacking right on top of each other and the blacks are stacking on top of each other. Starting again with this, and I have it in half, and I'm just going to wrap it around everything else I have on here. What I do on one side, I'm going to do on the other. And I'm just going to give it a tie. And what I have is this, what we call a marquee. So you just want to adjust everything and make sure that it looks even. Now, when you're selling these, it's really important to make sure that they're going to last a long time. And what I would like to do to ensure that is just to cover its feet with a piece of tape, because if anything, a particle comes on or anything like that, it could pop these, and we just want to make sure that this is built to last. Now this is something that nobody's going to see but you and I, but it's a really nice touch that a lot of people don't think about, and then they wonder, hey man, how come that thing popped? Oh, I didn't have the tape feet, that's why. Alright, another important thing, now that we have it so that the bottom is up, I'd like to introduce the weight. So I've just taken a regular smiley face weight and I put it inside of a dark colored balloon, and then I took another Q260 and just attached it. So these we're just going to want to put inside of this. The reason we do this is it's perceived value. If you're going to pick this up, it weighs something, you're going to think that it's worth more. It's just one of those things. And this way, when the door opens, it's not going to fly away, but it's going to be something solid. So again, just wrapping around, and what I do on one side, I'd like to do on the other. Take this, wrap it around. Now these are tucked and hidden down below. All my feet have tape on them, so now I can turn it over. And this is our design platform. So what we're going to do now is I'll set this over here, and I've got a nice pretty cube that matches all the colors in there. So I've got another Q260 right here, and to make him workable, I'm just going to find the half, and I'm just going to roll this little guy up until it's all the way flush with the balloon itself, and then I'm just going to tie this in a knot. And I'm going to tie it in a knot again. So what I've got is one self-made rubber band. So what I did for one, I'm now going to do for the other. Same principle, a little smaller, something matching, super cute. Put it in half, roll it up, so that it's flush. Tighten it up. And make a rubber band. Use the mechanics. Okay, so now I've created another quad. This has 3 pumps in it. I'm just going to put it at the base of my balloon and wrap it in. And then this is going to come on half of this. I'm just going to take this rubber band unit and go around both layers of balloons. It's nice and secure. And this is just going to sit there. Now we'll do the big one. And in one of my other videos, I discussed how we can make one of these large loop collars. And it should all look just like a flower, and everything should be perpendicular with each other. And then I'm just going to make sure that this is attached. And with my little rubber band, I'm going to come, go around 2 balloons, and just sit this right on top. Okay, how's that look? Oh, so you need a little bit of adjustment. Easy to do. Now this is pretty cute in and of itself, but I think something that always adds an element of surprise and elegance and difference is ribbon. So I've got some cut up right here. Let me get it for you. Six feet of each color. And this is just going to go around the base. Then I'm just going to tie it in a simple bow. And just let it dangle down. What I do on one side, I like to do on the other, just so that it's balanced. Simple bow. And the extra just kind of dangles down. So, what do you think of this? Pretty cute. The thing that I like about this design is the margin on your investment is extremely high. You probably got about an 80% markup with this because we didn't use any helium. So if you have shrink in your department, or if you just want to see your sales skyrocket, make 6 or 7 of these and price appropriately. We'll put that onto your instructions, and I think that you'll see great results with this. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you again next time.